This is great stuff worth noting again. These are my Seeker 3 drones by Deep Space. One with purple props has HDZero camera and VTX. One with black props is analog. I'm using HDZero goggles too for both and recording video with it. Transmitter is Radiomaster TX15 Max Gold. First flight is with the analog version. This was my first deep space bind and fly drone, and I was quite impressed with it. I've flown it countless times, crashed it hard, and found and fixed it. Quite repairable, fixable too. I printed and installed side panels to improve top-end speed. I have already seen a top speed of 97 miles per hour, trying to be similar to its big brother, the Seeker 35. This is an extremely well-proportioned design and really flies, well, as you see, this is a very popular design these days. However, there was no bind and fly with HDZero, so I bought another without a video system and installed a HDZero Race V 3VTX with a run cam, micro V3 camera, which kept the weight the same as the analog version. This was a solid move, and I fly both of these a lot. For sure my favorite 4S bots. Hard to believe it, but the HDZero version does better on batteries than the analog version, but it does get hotter. The analog VTX works at 1.3 watts, and the HDZero VTX is at 200 milliwatts with very similar range. I'm getting flight times over 6 minutes with the 650 batteries. All up weight without battery pack is 152 grams. Definitely nice to use the same goggles to fly HDZero and analog gear. The Radiomaster transmitter, TX15, is top-notch, and I liked my Boxer a lot, but the TX15 is even better.